know you've been a bit crank with me lately. Why don't we go somewhere nice? I'll live and drive. Okay, Dale, off we go. Careful here, Dale. That's a girl. Follow me. So pretty. Don't you feel good? Yeah. I know, Dale. I'm off the drugs. Won't be long, Dale. Nearly there. Nice here, Dale?
Having a sleep.
Hey baby, everything's alright. It's alright, it's alright, alright.
You're back. Say something to the camera, Dale.
No.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Where's the shovel?
I don't need it. You just need to walk backwards a bit more.
Take a step, but there's a big waterfall there, Dale. I could get hurt.
No, you'll be right. There's water falling with it. You'll probably just, land in a nice pool at the bottom. Try it and see.
Thanks, Dale. Alright, I'm off. Whoa! Whoa. Oh, man, one hell of a trip. Let's wait on. Dale. No, there's no water down here. What do you mean a little bit to the left? Look, could you ring an ambulance? Bit busy, huh? Alright, you'll get back to me. I'll just wait here for you, Dale. Okay. Bye. Jesus. God, that hurts. A little bit to the left, you're kidding. Huh. Yes, Dar. Oh, yeah, the keys, yes, they're in my pocket. Sorry, Dar. I'll be up there in a minute. Yeah, you know, it's my back. I think I've broken it. Don't worry, I'll climb up. You just wait there, Dar. See ya.